Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted. I know that for sure. And you will learn something today. This is a sure bet. That is what I promise right here on this channel. Today's video is a collab video with the group Beauty Over 40. And we are to create a look for the new year holiday look. I am using a tan or beige color to go all over my eyes before I start with the shimmer because I have a couple shimmers I want to use. Today's item will be red shortly. There is a pretty blue in there. These are all dual chrome. So today I did put down some glitter glue. This is a festive eye look for the new year. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. There's a white shimmer in there, but again, they're dual chrome, so they have different, if you look, it flashes different. Today, now I'm ready to talk, they're cutting the grass. So if you hear a bunch of noise, go with the flow. Today's I am read. There is no need to struggle to be better. There is no need to struggle to be better. Do you know why? I will tell you why in a few minutes. Think about it. And if you know why before I tell you what it is, put it in the comments. I'm doing this color in the inner corner. And I'm keeping my eye relaxed because I want to go a little above the folded hoodedness or hooded piece, if you want to call it that. So you see, I kept my eyes relaxed and I went a little above. This is makeup tip right here. And I went above like this. And then I open and I tap the color. I tap it to make sure it's also in the fold. But you relax, you do what you gotta do, and then double check to make sure the fold have it. Like this. The reason why you don't have to struggle to be better is because you are enough. You are enough. It's a very pretty purple. I'm going to take and put it in the middle of these two colors. This palette is very pretty. I got this in my December ice cream box, just so it takes away the separation. See how pretty the purple looks? Very pretty. They're all dual chrome and multi-chromes, it says. I don't know which one is which, but they're doing a good job for me so far. Always remember you're first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Always, always know that there is light at the end of every tunnel you go to. Do not give up on yourself. Know that you are loved and you matter. Today's eye look for the collab Beauty Over 40. This is it. Holiday look. Tell me what you think in the comments about my New Year's party eye look. My lipstick today is by Laura Geller, and it is called Greenwich Street Berry. The palette I used today is called Dossier Volume 1 by Chantico Beauty from my ice cream box. I use 3 of the dual chrome shimmers and 1 matte, which is my skin complexion. And I'm ready to go out and dance for the new year. Yeah. And if it's a little cool, I carry this just to go over me so I can stay warm because it will be an outside event. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment and let me know what you are thinking. And if there is a certain color eyeshadow look that you want me to create, please let me know in the comments. I love you dearly. And until I see you and you see me, know that there is no struggle to know that you are enough. There is zero struggle for you to know that you are enough. I love you dearly. Keep rising. Do not give up on yourself. And if you need any kind of help, please seek help. Bye.